Yeah, welcome viewers. Some incidences, I'll just fix this a bit, is that it? No. Some incidences begin with a single bad decision. Viewers, others reveal complete collapse of self-control. On September 21st, 2023, airport police responded to what initially appeared to be a disturbance at a restaurant. Officers gathered information. A far more serious picture began to emerge. Investigators alleged the one individual had vandalized multiple businesses, spat on another person, assaulted an elderly woman, closed fist, leaving her with facial lacerations. What follows is not simply the story of an arrest. What follows is an unfolding event of behaviour that, according to police allegations, escalated from disorder to violence, demonstrating how rapidly impulsive actions can accumulate into serious criminal assertions and accusations. And this footage captures the police response that followed.
The other, okay.
They've been,
Okay, okay.
So there's the elderly woman.
Hey, what's going on?
Right here.
She did take the face of her cell phone, and that's what hit her.
That's what hit her, but you were in the way. Look at that. So right here is when she walks up to her and hits her. That's where she hits her, and then she comes.
Control.
No, she punched her with her hand.
Raising her hand.
No, yeah. If you slow it down.
Glasses.
Just have somebody come through and knock all this off.
Well, yeah. We have a picture.
Was it a woman?
I'm nosy. I'm black. I'm trying to see.
Was it a woman?
Yes.
Officers proceeded to take her into custody on a disorderly conduct charge.
You want me to go ahead and take her for disorderly? Alright, I'll take her for disorderly. Alright, ma'am, my name is Officer Link with the Airport Police. You should go ahead and stand up. Stand up, please. Ma'am, stand up, put your hands behind your back. Stand up.
Do not resist.
Roll over.
Do not resist. Okay? Don't make this any worse than you've already made it. Okay? Come here. Do not resist.
Ma'am.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
AWOL women.
Hands behind your back.
Now.
Do it
Give
now.
me your hands.
Officer Lincoln, was it the store at
Put
the
your hands behind your back. Do not resist.
or was it one
Do
down
not
here?
resist. Okay? Do not resist.
What you'll find by viewers is resistance,
Roll over onto your stomach.
defiance are all types of things that you'll deal with in a relationship with someone like this.
Do not resist. Do not resist. Being placed under arrest by this officer for disorderly conduct. Do you understand?
Stand up.
Viewers, every criminal investigation begins with a simple question: what happened? But behind every incident lies another question that is often far more important. How does ordinary behaviour deteriorate into conduct that places innocent people at risk? Violence rarely exists in isolation. It often develops through an escalating pattern of emotional instability, loss of self-control, disregard for others, and an increasing willingness to ignore both social boundaries and legal consequences. The law exists not merely to punish violence after it occurs, but to protect the public before further harm can be inflicted. And when allegations involve attacks upon vulnerable members of the community, including elderly victims, the community's expectation of accountability becomes even greater. Police officers responding to such incidences carry two responsibilities simultaneously: to establish facts through lawful investigation and to restore immediate public safety. The events that were going on in this presentation show how rapidly a situation can move from public disorder to criminal investigation, where every decision, every statement, every action may ultimately become part of the evidentiary record.
You want me to bring my car over here?
We may need that.
Yeah.
Stand up.
We're gonna set you in this chair, okay?
Come on. Okay. Well,
You can hang out there. That's fine.
she wants to do that. That's her thing, okay? It's an additional charge. Is this thing an officer? Hey, you want to sit up in a chair? Let's get you sit up in a chair. Come on, stand up. Okay. Okay. All right.
You said me to be in the chair. Let me in the fucking chair, bitch.
Yeah, I understand that. Okay? Now you can relax.
Who's not relaxing?
Okay? There's no need for pulling away. There's no need for
Who's
language.
pulling away?
Okay?
You are.
I'm not playing games here.
I can sit the fuck up if I want to.
You can sit right here, just
Let
like
go
that.
of me.
Put your feet on the
Pedo.
ground. Okay.
Y'all want me to sit like this?
If that's what you want to do.
Calm down.
I don't want to. What are y'all waiting for?
A vehicle, since you don't want to walk.
I can sit the fuck up.
Where's your
God,
Good. No. I'm walking that way, but what do you think?
Stop.
y'all see this stuff? The mayo. The mayo. Come on, push me out.
Stop resisting.
Come on, push me out. That's right. That's right.
If we got an officer, strap down.
That's right.
Stop resisting.
strap to?
Other side. She's good. She's not gonna have that.
Okay, push me out.
That would be very unwise.
Additional charge, resisting stop, halt, frisk. Lead the way. Spitting. Second count, disorderly.
Why am I going this way?
Hey, we can take the elevator.
Why can't we go through our water?
We need to take the elevator. Alright. We need to take the elevator.
I can carry it, we can carry it.
She's spitting.
Stand up.
Anybody down, before you do it, please?
Do not resist.
Just search on the ground.
I'll take my glass off. Wait, take my glass off.
Do not.
What you'll find is they're very combative.
Well, don't resist. Don't damage your glasses.
Y'all damaging me.
We'll roll you over. Get you up. Okay? Do not resist. Do not resist. Okay?
Alright.
Okay, we're going to help you sit up, and we're going to put you in the car. Yeah, we're going to put them right on you as soon as we get you in the car. Do not drag your feet. Walk to the car. Turn around. Okay. But
Hold on, wait. I need my glasses.
we're going to get you. We'll get your glasses after you get in the car.
Put them on, baby.
Nope, we're not.
when you get in the car.
We're getting in your car.
We don't want to see you damage your glasses by your actions.
I don't damage myself.
Okay, good.
Yeah, Thank you. Now can I have my glasses?
Sit back.
Yep, go get them. Promise you that. Put your feet on the floor. Do not resist. Sit up straight. Do not resist.
Nah, I'm ready to shut the fuck up. I need my glasses. Come on, put them
Sit
on
up
my face.
straight. Sit up straight.
Nah, they're in my hair. Ooh, my bad. You gotta go up. No.
There you go. Sit up straight. Watch yourself.
Thanks, Hannah.
Good job, bud.
The other door crack? I'm just gonna drag her through like I did before.
What's the name of it?
14, should I check the hangar 22? Okay, so if I take you out of this hobble so you can walk, are you going to walk for me?
I'm not mad at
Control 12, check the signature tower.
Just defiant and hard to get along with, they will not cooperate.
I'm gonna unbuckle you here.
Huh?
I was just saying, let me unbuckle you. Try to get out.
Keep your trouble.
Can I not have my picture taken?
You have to.
I'm not disabled.
Can you use your work phone?
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Why y'all so mad?
What's up?
I said, why y'all so mad?
I'm not mad.
Okay. He's acting in the way. I know why he's acting.
Viewers, in conclusion, every community depends upon a simple understanding. Disagreement is inevitable, but violence is not. The true measure of character is not how we behave when life's comfortable, but how we conduct ourselves when emotions are running high and self-control is tested. Property can often be repaired. Broken trust is far more difficult to restore, and physical injuries may heal. Psychological trauma can remain long after visible wounds have disappeared. And when anger replaces reason, everyone loses the victims, the accused family, businesses, emergency services, and the wider community. The law exists to protect the peaceful, hold offenders accountable through due process, and remind every citizen that freedom carries responsibility. And the strongest communities are not those without conflict. They are those who respect. They are those where respect for others, self-control and accountability prevail over aggression. These events you have just witnessed serve as a reminder that one uncontrolled moment can carry consequences that extend far beyond the incident itself.
The woman was charged with elder abuse, assaulting a first responder, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and vandalism.